If you want to rest, but your body won't actually let you, this video is for you. In part one, we talked about what it looks like, when you're stuck, your nervous system is stuck in survival. In part two, we practiced gentle somatic ways to come out of survival. Today, I want to talk about something many people don't realize. That's rest can feel unsafe, even when you're exhausted. Now, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means your nervous system learned at some point that staying alert was safer than letting down. So let's understand this gently together. Why your nervous system distrusts rest. So, for many of us, rest didn't feel safe growing up. Maybe you had to stay vigilant, emotionally tuned in, or ready to respond to someone else's needs. Your body learned if I relax, something could go wrong. Even years later, your nervous system still acts as if that's true. Well, and the point is that your mind might want to rest, but man, your body remembers danger, and survival will keep you on guard. When you're in survival mode, your nervous system stays slightly activated all the time. And that's why you can be exhausted, but still unable to slow down. Rest isn't the problem. Safety is, unfortunately. But your body isn't resisting rest. It's protecting you. Number one sign that you can't relax your body. Let's go over this one. Now, one sign rest feels unsafe is that your body literally won't soften. You might lie down, but still feel tight in your chest, jaw, or shoulders. You might think, man, why can't I just relax? That tension is your nervous system standing guard. Second sign would you feeling guilty resting. Another sign is that guilt. You rest and immediately feel like you should be doing something productive. That's not laziness. It's survival conditioning that equated rest with danger and abandonment. You are allowed to rest. Your worth is not earned through exhaustion. The third sign I want to discuss would be when your mind won't stop. This is a mental busyness. You lie down, but your mind starts racing with to-do lists, worries, or replaying conversations. That's your nervous system saying, stay alert. And let's discuss how to slowly make rest feel safe again. You don't force rest to feel good. You just teach your nervous system little by little that rest is safe. Now, let me talk about some micro rest. That's a good practice. So instead of trying to rest for an hour, start with 60 seconds. Sit back, feel your weight in the chair, and take one slow breath. Then tell your body, right now, I'm allowed to pause. Don't that feel good? See, that's enough. You can build from there. And another practice is supported stillness. Now, this I really enjoy. You just lie down with a pillow under your knees or your back. Let something physical hold you, like your blankets, cushions, or the floor. Support tells your nervous system you do not have to carry everything. Another practice would be orienting to safety. Now, just look around your room and name 3 things that feel safe or neutral. I'm sure you can see 3 things that you could do that with. The chair, the wall, the window. This gently teaches your body that nothing bad is happening now. Safety is learned through presence, not pressure. It's not, if rest has felt hard for you, that doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It just means your nervous system has been protecting you for a very, very long time. In the next video, I'll talk about how to heal freeze response more deeply through somatic movement. If this helped you even a little, you're welcome here. Take care of your body. It's been taking care of you. If this resonates, please like, share, subscribe. It helps me to keep getting the word out. Thank you.